Hello, you beautiful magical souls. Thank you so much for entering into my giveaway. I was so blown away by how beautiful the comments were. So thank you so very much. I'm very honored that you are as excited as I am to see what is coming next on my channel. So the winner of the giveaway is, and if this is you, then please get in touch with me on Instagram. My handle is in the comments down below, but reach out to me on messages on Instagram. Send me a DM so we can arrange getting it to you as soon as possible. But as they say, that's not all. I was so touched by the beautiful comments on my giveaway video that everybody else who entered their name onto the giveaway, these people here, I am sending each one of you an ephemera book for your own book of shadows. So if your YouTube name appears here, please reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is in the description box, so send me a DM over on Instagram, an address of where you would like your giveaway sent to you. So that's just a little bit of something extra to say thank you very much from me to you. I hope you are well, and I hope that many blessings surround you and fulfill you all of your days.